Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Nail Hobbyist, and my name is Dina. I'm a French Canadian. Today we are going to do a marble nail with a Sharpie. We're going to start with applying 2 coats of white. After that, going to draw with the Sharpie, going to try to fade it out with some alcohol. Pretty self-explanatory, so please enjoy. So here I am applying my beautiful bling, or this is what we call caviar beads. On top it's just gems. Just gonna form a little triangle with that, cure that for 30 seconds and call it a day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and bye-bye.